Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to smooth skin and give it a soft natural look in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First go to Effect panel, then search for Noise Reduction and drag it onto your video clip. And take note that this noise reduction is only available to the studio type, so you need to upgrade your DaVinci Resolve. Then open the inspector and click on the Effect tab. Scroll down to Noise Reduction Settings, then uncheck the Luma and Chroma same threshold, and to adjust them separately. Then increase the Luma threshold just enough to soften the skin, but not too much. Otherwise, it will blur the rest of the video. And that's it. Your skin now looks smooth and flawless without losing too much detail. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.